Hello, now we have 19th week. We are talking about idioms connecting to laundry, and today we have English language. So let's look at idiom. Fresh as a daisy, clean, tidy, and full of energy. He had been gardening all morning, but a quiet break and cool drink made him feel fresh as a daisy again. Dirty clothes pile up to accumulate a large amount of unwashed laundry. She had been procrastinating on doing laundry, and as a result, the dirty clothes began to pile up, overflowing from the hamper. Soap it up. To apply soap or detergent to create a lather for cleaning. The chief demonstrated the proper technique to soap it up when washing hands, ensuring through cleansing and hygiene in the kitchen. Hang it out to dry, to allow something to air dry after washing. The laundry room was filled with clothes lines where residents could hang their laundry out to dry. Scrub it up, a playful expression to describe the action of scrubbing. The bathroom tiles were stained with soap scum, so she rolled up your sleeves and began scrub-a-dubbing to restore their shine. Washing machine blues, the feeling of disappointment or frustration when a washing machine malfunctions. She had to resort to hand washing her clothes in the sink due to the broken washing machine, intensifying her washing machine blues. So let's look at idioms and the dialogue. Good morning, Carol. You look fresh as a daisy today. Did you get a good night's sleep? Oh, thank you, Susan. I managed to catch some Z's despite the laundry situation at home. Those dirty clothes pile up faster than I keep up with. I know what you mean. The struggle is real. But hey, have you tried the new detergent? It's fantastic for getting those stains out. Just soap it up and voila. That's a great idea, Susan. I'll give it a try. By the way, have you seen my favorite blouse? I washed it yesterday and forgot to hang it out to dry. Now it's lost in the sea of laundry. Oh no, the infamous disappearing blouse. Don't worry, Carol. We'll find it. Let's roll up our sleeves and start scrub-a-dubbing through the mountain of laundry. It'll turn up eventually. You're right, Susan. Time to conquer the laundry beast. But first I need to vent. I had a case of the washing machine blues yesterday. It just wouldn't cooperate, and I ended up with a wet mess all over the floor. Oh dear. I know how frustrating that can be. The washing machine blues can really put a damper on your day. But hey, we are resilient housewives and we won't let a malfunction machine get the best of us. Absolutely, Susan. We'll conquer the laundry pile together and come out victorious. With our determination to flew laughs along the way, we'll make this laundry day a breeze. That's the spirit, Carol. Let's tackle this laundry like a dynamic duo. Freshness and cleanliness await us, and those dirty clothes won't know what hit them. Indeed, Susan, let's get to work and show that laundry who is boss. Scrub it up, sew it up, and hang it out to dry. We've got us. Thank you for your attention.